Hey there, have clients who bill the same amount every month? Setting up recurring invoices in FreshBooks automates your billing, ensuring you never forget to send an invoice and get paid like clockwork. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Here's the simple way to set it up. Create a new invoice as you normally would. After adding all the line items and details, look for the Schedule or Make Recurring button. You can set the frequency, weekly, monthly, yearly, choose a start date, and decide how many times to send it or have it run indefinitely. FreshBooks will automatically generate and email the invoice on the schedule you set. My crucial pro tip: add a payment reminder to the recurring schedule. When setting up the recurrence, also schedule an automatic payment reminder email to go out a few days before the due date. This gentle nudge can significantly improve your on-time payment rate. That's how you build a predictable, hands-off revenue stream. Do you use recurring invoices for retainers, subscriptions, or monthly services? Let me know in the comments. If automation guides help you work smarter, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you soon.